1964, March 13th, a cold winter night. Kitty Genovese was returning from work. She was raped and stabbed to death. 37 people witnessed this horrific incident. None of them called the police or came to her rescue. Big question arose as to why these 37 people didn't help. Social psychologists Bibb Latney and John Darley extensively researched and concluded it was due to a phenomenon which they coined as bystander effect. Bystander effect is a social psychological phenomenon where individuals are less likely to help a victim when others are present. The greater the number of bystanders, the less likely any one of them is to help. Why does it happen? First, the presence of other people creates a diffusion of responsibility. The second reason is the need to behave in correct and socially acceptable ways. When other observers fail to react, individuals often take this as a signal that a response is not needed or not appropriate. And also, researchers have found that onlookers are less likely to intervene if the situation is ambiguous. In the case of Kitty Genovese, many of the 37 witnesses reported that they believed that they were witnessing a lover's quarrel and did not realize that the young woman was actually being murdered. If you are in a crowd and you look and see that everyone is doing nothing, then nothing becomes a norm. How to prevent bystander effect? Understand how the bystander effect might be holding you back and consciously take steps to overcome it. However, this does not mean you should place yourself in danger. What to do if you are the person in need of assistance? One often recommended tactic is to single out one person from the crowd, make eye contact and ask that individual specifically for help. By personalizing and individualizing your request, it becomes much harder for people to turn you down. When faced with an emergency situation, knowing what to do greatly increases the likelihood that a person will take action. How can you apply this to your own life? While you certainly cannot be prepared for every possible event that might transpire, taking first aid classes and receiving CPR training could help you feel more competent and prepared to deal with potential emergencies. This video, let's take pledge that we take initiative to help people in emergency situation. You take lead, others will follow. Jai Hind.